Welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to run the sewer branch monument. Super easy, super simple. Let's get right into the video. Alright guys, before we start this tutorial, here are the things you're going to need. Yo, also, hit that like button. First thing is a full burlap kit. Second, a green card, a fuse, and a torch. That's optional. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is find the main building located around the middle of the monument. Once you hit the building, on the back of the room, you should see a fuse. Put your fuse in. Next, flip the switch and follow me to the back of the building. Next, you should find a sewer. Jump in. The torch is so you can see inside of the sewer. Next, swipe your green card. Once you swipe your green card, follow me as I loot all the boxes. In the monument, there should be 9 boxes. Some can be green, some can be brown, all depending on luck. Also, on the desk, there's a blue key card. Alright guys, so that will be the end of the video. If it helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, that's about it guys. See you in the next video.